For years, authorities at Prempeh College have been grappling with the encroachment of the school's land. Although the school has been fenced, some unknown persons still have access to the premises and sometimes attack students and other staff members and take away their belongings. The school has in recent times witnessed alleged arson of some facilities, including vehicles. Head teacher of Prempeh College, Aaron Etuajau, is worried the situation could have a toll on academic activities if not checked.
Very burning of a lot of facilities. I may even leave some out, but the library was burnt twice. 2 of our vehicles were burnt. The post office was burnt. The assistant headmaster academics bungalow has been burgled. Some of the masters had their facilities burned. A vehicle was burned. They tried to touch another master's bungalow. The people come in here and with knives, they threaten people and take their phones away. Masters and students, I could go on and on. So there are a lot of challenges. The fencing is there, but certainly you could see the nature. They could easily scale. And there are insiders also who are in league with these outsiders, and security matters. We need, as I was talking about, we may need cameras, but as it is now, we need a lot of security men. Prempeh College, we are told that the land size is about 200 acres, and that's a very vast land. Meanwhile, when the security men retire, we do not have replacements, and therefore it makes it very difficult for us to, as it were, take care of the facilities security-wise.
The head teacher called for support, especially from all students, when the 2007 year group intervened to refurbish the school's science and maths quiz laboratory.
Some of them are already on the ground helping us. 2-year groups are already building staff bungalows for non-teaching and teaching. But our challenges are also multifaceted. We need closed-circuit television because a lot of crimes, go on in the school, involving outsiders and insiders. So that is part of our move. The old students come with their own vision, but certainly we would also get closer. Now that they are going to have their AGM after the election, I think we would sit down as a team from management and then the old students.
The year group believes reaching out to the school was part of efforts to motivate continuing students to excel academically and also support the authorities.
As far back as 2007, this place was relatively a set of tables, an old, I think, DVD player or VCD player, and then a television set. So what we've done is we've equipped the place with new furniture, added PCs, desktop computers. We've set up a projector with its wall mount, a whiteboard. We've repainted the whole place. We've refurbished the coordinator's office, and also there's a restroom for our contestants as well. So it's a total overhaul of the place. So we are here to officially hand over the refurbished project to the school so that the students who are being trained for the maths and science quiz will have somewhere to undertake their training.
Authorities say although the old students have been supportive, they are calling for more support to be able to address the security situation in the school. Hafiz Tijani, Citi News, Prempeh College, Ashanti Region.